Hi, welcome back. So today's video is going to be all about glass skin. I'm going to show you like my little skincare and how I do my makeup to get that like effect. So I'm just gonna hop right in. Okay, so starting off with skincare, I'm gonna go in with this Thayer's Witch Hazel, the lavender one. It's also good for just kind of like taking off that dead layer of skin cell, I guess, and just giving your skin like a nice little gentle exfoliation. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with this aloe vera skin gel from Skin Food. This is just a really nice gel moisturizer, and I feel like it would sit nicely under makeup because it's just really lightweight. It soaks right into your skin. Okay, and then next I'm gonna go in with sunscreen. This is the Face Shop sunscreen, SPF 40. It's not sticky by any means, but it is like a little bit stickier than the Bare Mineral one that I use from Target. The price is about the same. They're both like $15. I got this one on Amazon, and I do really like it. It has like a nice little scent to it as well. It smells like a little bit like sunscreen, but they try to mask it with this like light citrus scent, I guess. But it is like slightly tackier than the Bare Minerals one, which is why I feel like it would be good for like primer, or just like applying it underneath your makeup. Okay, for the eyes today, I'm going to keep it really simple because I want it to be more about the skin. I zoomed you in a little bit closer so you can see better. But I'm just going to apply these lashes. These are the Christina 43 lashes. And I like to cut them into like fours and then apply it that way. It just looks a little bit better. It looks more like, gives you more of that like lash extension look, which is really in right now. And it's also a lot more comfortable to wear around all day. Guys, look at the difference that lashes make. I feel like an egg on this side, and I'm like, if I leave the house like this, I would feel pretty good on this side. Okay, so both my lashes are on, and this is what it looks like. Okay, now I'm gonna do my brows, and I'm using this NYX Precision Brow Pencil in the shade Charcoal, but I do really like this. I used it yesterday. It looks really good if you have like black hair or like dark brown hair. Okay, so my brows are done on like an everyday basis. If I had lashes, brows, I could honestly just put on sunscreen and then just leave the house. I would actually be really like comfortable with that. I guess that's like the ultimate like no makeup look, but you still look really good because lashes and brows make a huge difference. But today we're doing makeup, so I'm going in with this NYX Total Control Drop Foundation. This foundation is like water. It's super lightweight. So since I'm using this, I'm actually going to use a brush. This is in the shade True Beige, by the way, in case you were wondering. And then to make this more of like a glass skin look, I'm mixing in my serum. This is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. This is just the Real Techniques buffing brush. Okay, so since I accidentally used way too much foundation, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wet another beauty blender and come back and then just take that wet beauty blender and just work this into the skin until it looks way less cakey. So so I'll be right back. So I am back with 2 Wet Beauty blenders. Okay, so I'm starting to see my imperfections like poke through again. So I'm just gonna stop there and move on. I'm gonna use cream products for the rest of my face so that everything sort of looks more natural. I'm gonna go in with this Clinique's Chubby Stick to bronze my skin. I'm just gonna work that in with my beauty blender. I'm gonna do like the tiniest bit of concealer. I'm gonna use my finger to blend that in. For blush, I'm sticking with the cream product theme again. I'm using MAC's Lady Blush. I'm just using my finger again and just tapping that in. I always like to put some on my nose so it looks more natural. Okay, and then for my highlight, I'm using this Becca's Opal highlighter, but I'm using the cream formula again. And I'm just tapping that on to my skin. For my lips, I'm just gonna use my NYX London lip liner. Okay, you guys, so that is the complete look. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your little notification bell so you can know every time I upload. And yeah, I'll see you hopefully next week. Bye!